hate to see my friends aren't coming over today.
There's no I'll dance with my head.
Hi, Tom. Good to see you.
Ellie, it's good to see you.
Hello, Tom. We missed you.
Tom, let's go to the burger restaurant. I am hungry.
That sounds a good idea to eat.
Alright, everybody. We need to get ready to go out. Owen will be driving us.
I need to put my shoes on.
Owen, don't forget your spray.
Welcome to the burger restaurant. I sell burgers and salads. May I take your order?
I would like to have 2 double cheeseburgers with fries and a large vanilla milkshake.
I would like the same, but I want chili cheese fries added, please.
I don't know who is paying for dinner.
Owen is paying for our dinner, so he got everything under control.
I'll be in the car waiting on y'all. Well, I'm done eating. My belly is big.
Semi-entertainment.
I agree. Let's have some fun entertainment.
Oh yeah, this is fun to look at.
This is the best entertainment ever.
Damn, that elephant wet himself.
Tom, I decided to have a zoo party for fun.
Oh wow, you want a zoo party. Who are you, Dennis the Menace?
I have to use the restroom. Excuse me, I'll be back.
There are animals everywhere in the house and outside.
Do you maybe remember where the bird food, remember the stuff that Joel was feeding the 2 swallows with?
What are you both of y'all doing?
We are looking at the wall.
There's animals anywhere.
Oh no, don't let that elephant get on top of the roof. It will crush on us all.
Hello, I am the police. I have a complaint about animals everywhere in the yard.
Oh, no, we are big in trouble.
Her alarm goes off and she gets up to watch the morning news. Doesn't work no more but tells a lot of stories about her youth. Drinks more lately, ain't got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view. But her shop was built right across the street, and it stands by the sunrise he used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten, our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten,